Hey Brooke, how you doing? It's Leo again. We spoke earlier. This is the video I wanted to send over to you with just a couple tips and tricks that you can actually do in-house to increase your business through your website or your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful for you. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up here. Love your logo, the Way Construction. I really like that. I like first responder discount up here. That's great. And overall, it's not a bad looking website. You got some great pictures up there. Looks like you got a great team putting in work. Um, so yeah, not too bad at all. If I was to make a suggestion, I would definitely say you need to add more content. Google loves content. Um, they want to see about a minimal of 1,500 words on your home page. And throughout this content, they want to make sure that you're adding buyer intent keywords. Now, buyer intent keyword is just the service that you provide and the location that you provide that service. Another good thing to do is make sure when you're saving these photos, you're saving them as keywords as well, because photos and videos are considered content. So roofing replacement needs to be roofing Evansville roof replacement Evansville, something for what you do and where you do it at. And up here at the top, you got your click to call, which is great. And you need to have like a form submit up here or a little box over here where people can chat. Some people today, they're not much for talking on the cell phone, so they'd rather chat with someone or send an email or do a form submit. So whenever, I think 57.9, 58% of people are searching on cell phones these days. So having easy access for a cell phone to call or fill out a form submit are great ways to convert up here at the top of your page. Now, what I've done is I've actually put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR and your DR. The UR is the strength of your website, and this is the trust of your website. So this is the strength that your website has with Google, and this is the trust. Now, this is actually out of 100 on a scale from 0 to 100. So you want to try to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. Now you've got 78 backlinks and 17 referring domains. The backlinks is what gives you this power here. Backlinks are the cream of the crop. They're the ones that power everything to your website. And a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But you've got to watch out because you can have a million backlinks, but if they're spammy backlinks, they're not going to do you any good. They're actually going to cause more harm. So make sure you're going after the authoritative backlinks that's more relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, what I've done here actually is typed in roofers, Evansville, Indiana. And at the very top up here is your Google guaranteed. And that's a great way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying, you're off this front page. So that's why it's very, very important to rank organically. Like these guys here, Honest Abe Roofing, they're #1 in the map pack. So these guys are getting 30 to 40% of the search volume that comes right on this page. They're going to click right here and give them a call. So that's important because their Google business profile only houses 3 companies up here in the maps. You're not here, and that's okay because there's several ways you can get here. Make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure you're driving this home to your customers. Please, please, please leave us a review. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet because you do not want to mislead Google. You don't want to have separate phone numbers, different addresses, things like that, abbreviated business. Make sure everything is identical. At the bottom of your Google business profile, there's a 750 character About Us section. Make sure you get that filled out and make sure you don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Also, by posting geotagged, geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically. And then adding citations. Now, this is very important for your Google business profile. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number, also known as NAP. So you want to get your NAP in as many directories as possible, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Yext, things like that, because As funny as it is, Google's just a big popularity contest. So the more information you give out about your business to as many directories as possible, it's going to start to trust you more, and it's going to build up those UR and DRs, and then it's going to start pushing you in front of the customers that's actually searching for your services. Again, being on that map pack right here is going to give you 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Now down here is your Google organics. We don't count the BBB or Angie's. There's my sworn enemy, because they're going to send you and 10 other people the same leads. You got to fight for them and outbid, and that's not, it's not the way it should work. Your customers should come straight to you and to your website. Your website is a lead generating tool. So Honest Abe Roofing is actually number one in the organics as well. So looking at their website, you can see not too bad. Not too bad at all, actually. And they've got a little bit more content. But by adding more content than theirs, so adding the more content than theirs, and then adding backlinks and the geotagging photos and content and stuff, you're going to start outranking them too. Now, I really wanted to show you this right here. This is what was really exciting to me. Is again, you know, these are keywords, and these are what people are typing in to find you. The keyword difficulty is out of 100. So the closer to 0 you are, the easier it is to rank it. But look at this massive volume. Evansville roofers, 300 people are searching that a month. Evansville roofing, another 300. Evansville, or roofing Evansville, another 300. Evansville roofer. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There's around 2,000 searches. Imagine if you just got 10% of that to your website. That's 200 people coming to your website, and even converting 10 of them, that's 20 new jobs a month. I mean, the search volume is here. It is insane, as you see. Implementing more content on your website and adding these keywords within that content will really help you start to outrank your competitors. So Brooke, I hope this was a informative video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Again, you know, this is great volume here. So once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call. And then depending on you guys' close rate, turn them into customers. Again, I appreciate your time. My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Have a great day.